can't seem to get this filmed right, but hopefully this works this time. Anyway, here we have a Sears Traditions alarm clock from the 80s. Paid $3 for it at Goodwill. I thought it was kind of unique, and well, here it is. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, it's the Traditions line. Dials made in Japan. AM sitting there. It's got wood grain on the top, like most clocks from this time period, and no controls on the top. You might be wondering why. Well, and how you control this. Well, we'll see in a second. There's the other side, or the side, the back, bunch of vents, and the other side, which has a snooze button on it. And last but not least, the bottom with the control panel. And see, you got alarm set, time set, fast, slow, alarm on, alarm off, and this here resets the alarm. It's a model 47114B, 60 hertz, 120 volts, UL listed, and made in Hong Kong. The rest of the information is faded out. Turn the alarm on here. Set the alarm real quick. It's at 47. We're on 49. This is why this was a bad idea. There's your alarm, which is kind of different compared to what I normally hear. And to turn it off, you just do this, and I guess it turns it off. Oh, I figured out how the snooze is. That button on the bottom, right there, you hit the clock down, and it turns the snooze on. It's kind of neat. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.